Miss Mel picked up KLX140 from our friends over at Evolution Power Sports in Watertown. I think social distancing will be kick-ass. Thanks, guys. So here's our walk around of our 2020 KLX140L. Check out the swag. Miss Mel 269. Check us out. So this bad bike got electric start, as you can see on Kawasaki's website. It's got a nice pull choke right there, and I'll probably get brake lines for it and stuff. Heel. And do the walk around here. So yeah, it's a nice looking bike. She's a little cold. We just got home with her. Disc brakes. I like the disc brakes across the board. And check out the chain adjusters. These are nice versus the click ones. I like Honda XR650L. I like that's a lot nicer. So this is a good all-around yard bike, trail bike. And yeah, got a good nice note to it. Lots of videos to come. And we're just, you know, come factory with a battery tender plug. So I brought one of my battery tenders up here. You got your Petcock starter. Oh. We're working on it. So yeah, so this is our bike. Give a little gas, Benny. Give some gas. So I read online you have to do some jetting. We'll get to that. Like I said, this is brand new, and can't wait to go ride it and stuff. So hold on a second. So when you want it off, this is the heel, and this is the kill switch. So it's off. There's no key or nothing. Just flip it on. You got your LED. And there you go. Well, thanks, guys. We'll get after it in a little bit and go from there. Thanks for watching. There you go. Keep in the friction zone. Give a little gas. So I gotta adjust the throttle. It seems just a little low, and I'm give a little gas, man. A little bit. Oh, there you go. There you go. That wasn't too bad. It's sitting in first. Like I said, throttle's a little low, so you gotta raise it up. But yeah, first rides. First rides on a 2020 KLX140L. And we'll get lots of rides into that. Yeah, little dude should have his helmet on too, but he was riding his sister around. Did you go to second? Oh, okay. When you slow down, go down a gear. Next time, go down one gear when you're making a turn before you start turning. Now I got the little 94 wheeler from L's. Oh, he's gonna stuff it in the brake there and eat the front end. Looks like I got all the fruit trees over here. Practice.